Why don't you save us a lot of time and headache and just tell us where your boyfriend is?
He's at work. Foot Locker on Steinway Street. Call him if you don't believe me.
You're telling me Derek Malbaton, cop killer and escaped con, is selling Air Jordans at a Foot Locker in Astoria right now?
I didn't say that.
You're gonna try to sell me some story that you broke up with Malbaton and now you're dating Joe Nobody from Foot Locker.
It's the truth.
No, it's not. Because if it was, you'd be in the back of a Chinatown alley dumpster and not my cozy box.
Okay, fine. Maybe I didn't break up with him. And yeah, I know he busted out of jail, but I haven't seen him.
Oh, you've had no communication with him?
Nope.
You haven't talked to him?
No.
You know I can get a warrant for your phone there. And when I dump it and find you've been communicating with Malbaton, that's when I get you for aiding and abetting a fugitive.
You don't need a warrant. You can have it.